Hey, what's up, y'all? Sliced Bread, JT here, coming at you with a very special unboxing. I'm the big winner. Ding, 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 ding. I'm winning. Remember when Charlie Sheen said that? Remember that? That was awesome.
It's relevant to today's book.
Totally topical reference there. Anyway, we got the wonderful, I was the winner. Bobby Jean, the wonderful Bobby Jean, tagged me in a raffle giveaway Facebook package deal thing that they were doing. They being Abuelo's. Abuelo's Tortilla? Abuelo's Foods. There we go. It's on the side of the box right there. Probably should have done some more research before. Anyway, I know you can find them on Facebook under Abuelo's. That is ABUELO. '*S. And I won their raffle thing on Facebook. It's awesome. And they shipped it to me, which is great. I didn't have to go to town and pick it up because, as you all know, we live in Desolation Sound, which is a long ways away and lots of ferries away and trips and da-da-da-da. So, big thank you to them. And full confession, I sort of already opened the box. I had some guacamole and went into the cupboard thinking I had some Abuelo's chips. Tits, I almost said. Tips. And there was some crumbs in the bottom of a bag. I usually like to keep a bag on hand here, but I think maybe the mice got to it, or maybe the wife got to it, maybe. Or, no. I think I ate some and forgot how much I ate. So Bobby Jean reminded me that, hey, you got a whole box of Abuelo's right there that you just open it up. So I broke my cardinal rule of unboxing and I pre-opened the box. That's a word.
Sue me?
Don't burn me on a pile of sticks over it kind of deal. Too far? Too much. Don't sue me over it? Okay, thank you. Anyways, let's open it up and let's...
How were your chips?
Oh, the chips are amazing. So... amazing.
How did you find out about Abuelo's?
Thank you for asking, Bobby Jean. We found out about Abuelo's. I don't know. I can't remember the story. You say.
You went to work and
right.
The fellas at work had them at his lunch and said you have to try them.
Yay, thanks, bro. I'm not sure what Ro is short for, but yeah, we went to work and he was bragging up these chips, and I sort of looked at them and asked what kind of chips they were because they looked a little bit different, and tried them, and hands down easily the best tortilla chips I've ever had. The best anybody's ever made in the world, I'm pretty convinced. I'm sure there's some, villages in Mexico or somewhere where there's making some pretty amazing chips, but I think that's maybe where this recipe came from. Not sure. Abuelo's? Abuelo's, I think, means grandma. My abuelo? Abuelito? I don't know.
Abuelo. Abuelo. Abuelo.
I don't know. Anyway.
Stick to the facts.
Stick to the facts, Jax. They were amazing chips, and I call them the Hattori Hanzo of chips because you don't compare them to Que Pasa or anything else. They're just amazing chips.
Que Pasa has some good chips.
Okay, yeah.
But these are a different level.
Yeah, exactly. They're up here.
They make
everything else sort of down here.
They make them at the place.
Yeah, they make them right there at the place that I have been to. I've shopped at the place where they get made, and it's an amazing shop there. And I wish we could get there more often, but it's sort of out of the way compared to our normal shopping in town trip. Anyway, let's get to the unboxing. I'm dying to open it up and see what's inside, even though I already sort of secretly know what's inside.
Okay.
Sorry.
Winner,
chicken dinner. Shink, shink, my Wolverine claws. We have some right here. Look at sea salt, Abuelo's, corn tortilla chips. They just snap. They're so fresh. Oh, I love them. They're so good. They're light and
crispy,
thin and crispy, but there's so much there. There's so much sustenance there too.
Really good flavor.
And they really hold up well. In a bag, They hold up better than most other bags, I find. So I was pretty blown away. We had Abuelos at our wedding.
We like them that much.
We liked them that much that we had Abuelos. Basically, we catered, whatever we want to say. That we got a whole bunch of Abuelos for the wedding.
We had
a taco bar.
Yeah, Mexican
and everything.
theme, just so we could show everybody how much. See what they're missing.
So right here, Abuelos, made in the Comox Valley, Vancouver Island, everybody. Love them. So there's one bag of chips, the sea salt, and
which one did we eat?
The one that I ate was a garlic, which I think so far is my favorite.
Yeah.
I really like it.
Yeah.
So, and then if you go to the store there, the shop, you can get these special made ones, and these are Chipotle. It says organic corn flour, quinoa, chia seeds, and sea salt. Natural and gluten-free, because they're corn. Corn's got no gluten. Oh, I want to go to bed a little bit. Not like that, but just like, And then, okay, here we go. Okay, here we go. What should we start with?
The oils.
I'm excited. The oils? Okay. So again, we sort of cheated a little bit, and we pulled this one out early. It is the Abuelo's Spicy Smoky Avocado Oil. They gave me a choice. They sent me a message and asked, do you want this? Do you want that? Do you want this? So we made a bit of a list. Abuelo's Spicy Smoky Avocado Oil. Oh. And what did we have it on the other night? I can't remember what you made.
I used it to cook some chicken yesterday.
Oh, right.
It was really good.
Oh, it was so good. And, we got Abuelo's Spicy Smoky Olive Oil. Mm-hmm. Everybody, I keep looking at you. This is Bobby Jean over here. You guys can't see her, but she's here. Might see her foot. Spicy Smoky Olive Oil. So this one's unopened. We haven't even done this one yet. What else we got? Oh man, I haven't even looked at this stuff now. Oh yeah, Mexican blend.
Yeah, I might have used some of that on tacos earlier in the week too. Once the box was open, I was like,
crap.
Yeah, it was really delicious.
Oh, God, see again, why haven't they invented smell-o-vision yet? Somebody's got to get on that. Taco blend. That's what you
the
use.
one I used.
Yeah.
And so show them it's a bit of a blend of powders.
I don't know if you can really see it from there.
It's not a scented candle. Sort of looks like it could have been a scented candle.
Yeah, it's a wonderful blend of, I assume, proprietary spices that they use there. Pumpkin pie spice. Hey-o. From Splendor Garden, it says. Organic. Oof. I took too much.
You kind of fluffed it.
I took too much. Oh, they're little shakers.
Yeah. You just gotta be careful of the side there.
That's great.
And then you can tilt it forward and show them the top because it's clear too, right?
I put it on too tight. I'm too much. I use my muscles. Use my big muscles. Nice. So you guys can see it's a bit of a powder blend. You guys won't be able to really see it from there probably, but that's okay. We'll take some pictures and we can put them in after. What else we got here?
Fix it in post.
Apple pie spice. We'll fix it in post, as they say. Ooh, that's nice. Can I try it?
I'm good.
That's nice.
Mine will have a sniff.
Oh, let's throw in. Awesome. What else? Dry enchilada mix. Aha. See, this is sort of the one I was excited for. And what's the other one? Oh yeah, the other ones.
Yeah, there was a lot of variety to choose from.
Oh, it's almost a little bit sweet, but not like Chipotle sweet. Oh man. Oh, what is that in there?
Enchilada mix?
Yeah. Oh, we don't want to do that. There we go. We don't want to do that. There we go. And carnitas. I think that's how you say it.
I don't even know what that is.
I keep adding an accent. Sorry if that's not allowed. I'm not sure. Carnitas, I think, is beef. Oh man, it's so good, but it's so different than the enchilada one too. Oh man, you guys killed me.
And what is it?
It's a spice blend.
No, so it's like a powder like the other ones?
Yeah, it's just like, a little powder spice sort of thing.
I like the little window at the top so you can see them.
Yeah, exactly. Oh man, it smells so good. And I guess I'll take away the box, and it all came in this nice fancy basket. Yay! It all goes back in and it holds everything.
Maybe don't put that one oil in there because I had had the one open.
Oh yeah. Okay.
I got a little dribbly.
You got a little dribbles. Well, thank you, Abuelos, so much. I feel like the big winner, that's for sure. You know, everybody go order up some Abuelos. Check your local grocery store. I'm not 100% sure where they sell exactly. We'll try to find out. There's got to be a website somewhere, Abuelos dot something. I'll put it somewhere around in here, this area here.
And they're on Facebook.
Definitely on Facebook. Check them out on Facebook.
And if you're in the Comox Valley or Campbell River area, I don't know if you're allowed to go to the store right now, but maybe you can order online for pickup.
And if they don't have it at your local store, ask them.
Yeah.
Ask, where's your Abuelos chips? Why do you not have Abuelos chips in the chips aisle? They're the most delicious chips ever. You should have Abuelos chips in your chips aisle.
And they had salsas and all kinds of stuff too in the
Everything.
store,
They
didn't
make like the little square tortillas and all kinds of salsas and everything.
You
Yeah,
can get
the
frozen
flat ones.
flat wraps, like
and
little small corn burritos.
and if you go to the shop,
they had the cinnamon ones.
yeah, they have cinnamon ones. What did they have? Some sort of dill type one too. The one day it was awesome.
Yeah,
I
the
love
dill
it.
and garlic.
Yeah.
I think.
So.
I don't know.
Thank you so much, Abuelos. I love it. Thank you very much. I'm a big fan. Thank you, Ro, my coworker, for turning me on to them. Thank you to my wife for encouraging me to enjoy Abuelos chips and for tagging me in the prize giveaway. That was awesome.
You're probably a
Big fan.
top 10 fan for sure.
I'm pretty much a super fan of Abuelos. I definitely praise their praises very high.
Themed our whole wedding food around.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah. One thing we said. Okay, taco bar for the wedding. Gotta have Abuelos. Thank you so much, guys. Check out Abuelos, everybody, and give us a like. Go over to their page, Facebook page, and definitely give them a like and a follow. And love you all very much, Papa Gene.
And sorry, once you try them, you're gonna never want to go back.
Yeah.
So
It's
standards will be raised, and yeah.
It will ruin you for other chips, but that's okay. It's worth it, because always, just like I said, keep a bag of chips on hand. Support local. There you go. Love it. Love you guys very much. Thank you. Stay safe out there, hey. Sliced bread JT. Out.